Okay, no, don't remind me of that from this morning. Here's Fairy Dog with Connor Zilish at Saturday's edition of Oz Comic Con Melbourne 2026. So, let's have a look at the sliders right now. First up, Andy Lee. This was the Andy Lee that we saw at Australian Grand Prix, where we saw him while we were leaving. Andy Lee dressed up as Wiz from the Do Not Open This Book series that Andy Lee made. So there's that. Nathan Jones is dressed as DJ Fisher, Australian music producer. I like his outfit. Sam Marston as Neil Daniher, a touching tribute to Neil Daniher. If Neil Daniher was still alive, he would be pleased. Then you got Sam Mack as Bluey. Didn't we already seen this with Daisy Pearce? It's not like Nick Salmon is going to dress up as Pingu again. Cooper Woods as Mick Fanning. But wait, you'll see the next one. Here it comes. Joe Weston as Kylie Minogue. Don't let El Savage watch it.
Don't let your kids watch.
Yeah, you know. The hot pants era. Spinning around. Here's a photo of Connor Zilish from today. After seeing the KG Idols, like a lot man, holding that Phoebe at the poolside photo. You can see Jasper in the photo singing. I mean, Fairy Dog has heard Nick Salmon playing some Andy Paulak before. So yeah. And then you got Connor Zilish seeing Tiara Rival. They finally met so much that Golden Saddle, who went like,